Health benefits of eating 2 boiled eggs every day. Eggs have long been celebrated as one of the most nutritious foods available, packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. Incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily diet can provide numerous health benefits, ranging from improved heart health to enhanced brain function and weight management. This humble yet versatile food is often referred to as a superfood for good reason. In this video, we will explore the incredible health benefits of eating 2 boiled eggs every day and why they deserve a place in your daily meal plan. 1. High-quality protein for muscle and tissue repair. Boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Each boiled egg contains about 6 grams of protein, making them an ideal choice for those who want to maintain or build muscle mass. Muscle maintenance. As we age, muscle mass naturally declines, a condition known as sarcopenia. Consuming protein-rich foods like boiled eggs can help combat this decline, especially for individuals who are physically active. Supports recovery. After workouts or physical activity, the protein in eggs aids in muscle recovery by providing the building blocks necessary for repair. 2. Promotes heart health. Contrary to outdated beliefs that eggs raise cholesterol levels, recent research has shown that moderate egg consumption can support heart health. The nutrients in boiled eggs, such as omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, contribute to cardiovascular well-being. Improved cholesterol profile. Eggs raise HDL, good cholesterol, levels while minimally affecting LDL, bad cholesterol, for most people. High HDL levels are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Regulates blood pressure. Eggs are a natural source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. Antioxidant protection. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs combat oxidative stress, protecting blood vessels from damage. 3. Enhances brain function and cognitive health. Eggs are considered brain food because they contain nutrients vital for cognitive function and mental health. Choline for brain health. One of the standout nutrients in eggs is choline, a compound essential for brain development and function. Choline supports the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and learning. Protects against cognitive decline. Regular consumption of choline-rich foods like eggs may reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Improves mood. Eggs also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin, that feel-good hormone that enhances mood and emotional well-being. 4. Supports eye health. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, abundant in egg yolks, are critical for maintaining eye health. These compounds protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light and oxidative stress. Reduces risk of macular degeneration. Eating eggs daily can help lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Protects against cataracts. The antioxidants in eggs prevent cataract formation by reducing oxidative stress in the eyes. Improves night vision. The vitamin A in eggs supports better night vision and overall eye function. 5. Aids in weight management. Boiled eggs are a perfect food for those looking to manage their weight. Their high protein content and low calorie count make them filling and satisfying. Increases satiety. The protein and healthy fats in eggs help keep you feeling full for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and preventing unhealthy snacking. Boosts metabolism. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, which are necessary for building lean muscle. Lean muscle boosts metabolism, aiding in weight management. Low-calorie option. 2 boiled eggs provide approximately 140 calories, making them a nutrient-dense choice for weight-conscious individuals. 6. Strengthens bones and teeth. Eggs are an excellent source of vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and teeth. Enhances calcium absorption. Vitamin D in eggs helps the body absorb calcium more effectively, promoting bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. Prevents osteoporosis. Regular consumption of vitamin D-rich foods like eggs can lower the risk of osteoporosis, especially in older adults. Supports dental health. The calcium and phosphorus in eggs contribute to strong and healthy teeth. 7. Improves skin and hair health. The nutrients in eggs, particularly biotin, protein, and selenium, are beneficial for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Promotes collagen production. Protein and amino acids in eggs support collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Strengthens hair. Biotin, a B vitamin found in eggs, promotes healthy hair growth and prevents brittleness. Fights skin aging. Antioxidants like selenium protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, helping you maintain a youthful appearance. 8. Boosts immunity. Eggs are a powerhouse of immune-boosting nutrients, including vitamins D and E, as well as selenium. Enhances immune response. These vitamins and minerals work together to strengthen the immune system, helping the body fight infections and illnesses more effectively. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of eggs contribute to better immune health by reducing chronic inflammation. 9. Supports healthy pregnancy. For women of childbearing age or those who are pregnant, boiled eggs are an excellent dietary choice due to their nutrient density. Fetal brain development. The choline in eggs is essential for the development of the fetal brain and nervous system. Prevents birth defects. Eggs are a source of folate, which helps prevent neural tube defects during pregnancy. Energy boost. The protein and healthy fats in eggs provide sustained energy, which is particularly beneficial during pregnancy. 10. Affordable and versatile. In addition to their numerous health benefits, boiled eggs are an affordable and versatile food that can be easily incorporated into any diet. Convenient snack. Boiled eggs are portable and make for a quick, nutritious snack. Meal versatility. They can be added to salads, sandwiches, or eaten on their own with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Long shelf life. Hard-boiled eggs can be stored in the refrigerator for several days, making meal prep simple and stress-free.